What's up? Real quick video today. I'm just gonna show you how I made this homemade mustard. So it's real simple, actually. Should only take you about 15 minutes. So I kind of wrote out what I needed here on this little card. But we got, first we're gonna start off with our mustard. So I got Indian brown mustard. All right, so I need 3/4 of a cup. So I'm taking 1/4 3 times. And I'm not gonna fill this up all the way for all of them. But basically I'm gonna do 3/4 of a cup of the mustard powder, 1 cup of water, a 1/2 cup of distilled white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and cayenne and paprika, or either or. I'm using paprika in this case. I have Hungarian paprika. But yep, so just combine that into my dish real quick. Okay, we got our pot here, so I'm gonna go with our 1 cup of water and just all our dry ingredients, just like that. And we're gonna, first I'm gonna turn this up a little bit till it gets to a boil. So I'm gonna put it on medium for now until it gets to a boil, and then I'll turn it down and cover it and simmer it. We're gonna get that mixed up. Don't forget the 1/2 cup of distilled vinegar. Is it 1/2 cup? Yeah, the 1/2 cup. That's very important. And the turmeric is very important too. That's what also gives it this yellow color. As far as the cayenne or the paprika, those kind of stuff are, up to your taste. If you don't want a spicy mustard or something like that, just, don't put them. Same thing for the garlic powder. If that's too much for you, you can adjust how you want it, basically. So that's the beauty of cooking. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes and I cooked it on low. I reduced the temperature to all the way to low, as low as it would go, and kind of let it sit for 15 minutes. So this is our mustard. So turn it off. And right now it's really hot, so of course I'm not about to try it. But when it cools down, you can put it in a jar or any kind of container that you have for sauces. You can tweak the ingredients a little bit for what you like. Add salt, add pepper, and anything else you want, really. But it's real simple. It only took about maybe 20 minutes total, and that's it.